Hi everyone, I wanted to show you how we can evaluate the author of an internet source. So this is an article that I found online. This is on CNN called "Study Links College Students' Grades to Sleep Schedules." So here's the article itself. Sometimes when you're reading news articles like this, the author's name might be listed right here where it says, and it might say byline, that's newspaper speak for author. However, in this case, we actually do get our author listed right here. If there was no author listed for this article, we would go ahead and we would evaluate CNN as the article because we would take it to mean that CNN as an institution or an organization had published this, right, without listing a particular author. So in this case, it's by Victoria Knight, CNN, so we can actually just Google her, right? There's no link and no extra information listed, but that's okay. We can Google her, and we see some information right here. Here's her LinkedIn. Let's see, I don't think I'm logged into LinkedIn. No, it's not going to let me see it. That's all right. We can get a little blurb here. I'm a journalist who is passionate about telling healthcare stories. Okay, our article was about sleep and college students. Here's a little more information that we can get. This is Muckrack. It's kind of like LinkedIn for journalists. She's in Washington, D.C., and we can see that she's published in many different kinds of news sources. Congressional healthcare reporter and occasional Capitol food critic. Says she's an alum of UT Knoxville and the University of Georgia, so that's good. Here's her email if we want to get in touch with her. And here's some of her articles, right? So if I was interested, I could click into some of her articles, and I could read them. Let's see if this one, sometimes they give us more information, but no. So we can't, I'm unable to, so far, unless I signed into LinkedIn, I'm not able yet to figure out who she is super well. Let's see if maybe I can get, oh, look at this pointer. I'm going to click on this one. This might be an older one, but it says she recently graduated with her master's in health journalism from the University of Georgia. So it sounds like she maybe doesn't have a degree in, college students and sleep schedules, but she does have a degree, a higher degree in health journalism. So she's very qualified to write and do journalism about health-related topics. So in this case, I might give her probably either a 2 or a 3, depending on how you might feel. She's not necessarily a scholarly author, but she does have credentials in this field. So up to you, but I would say she's at least worth a 2 in this area.